Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. After months of speculation, Sony has finally unveiled its latest mid-range smartphone, the Xperia X7, promising an updated design, faster performance, and improved photography features. As the direct successor to last year's Xperia X, which launched in May 2025 and quickly gained recognition for its cinematic 219 display and solid performance with the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. The new Xperia X7 now enters the scene in September 2025 with a mission to refine rather than revolutionize. The question many Sony fans are asking is whether the changes are enough to justify the upgrade, or if the Xperia X7 is simply an old formula dressed in new clothes. At first glance, the two smartphones look very similar, continuing Sony's trademark tall and narrow aesthetic with noticeable bezels on the top and bottom. However, upon closer inspection, some clear differences emerge. The Xperia X7 abandons the 219 ratio in favor of a more conventional 19.59 aspect ratio, making the phone slightly shorter and wider, with dimensions of 153 by 72 by 8.3 mm compared to the Xperia X 155 by 68 by 8.3 mm. Weight has also increased marginally, from 164 grams to 168 grams. Though the difference is barely noticeable in hand, more obvious is the redesigned rear camera layout. While the Xperia X used a vertical pill-shaped module, the Xperia X7 shifts to a modern horizontal camera bar, giving it a fresher and more contemporary look in line with broader industry trends. Both phones keep a plastic back, which, while not as premium as glass, is grippy and comfortable to hold. They also maintain the IP65 IP68 water and dust resistance rating, ensuring durability in everyday use. The display is where the Xperia X7 takes a clear step forward. Although both models feature a compact 6.1-inch OLED panel with full HD resolution, the new device doubles the refresh rate from 60 Hz to 120 Hz, creating a visibly smoother scrolling and gaming experience. Combined with the more common 19.59 aspect ratio, this makes the Xperia X7 easier to use with one hand, while also feeling faster and more fluid in daily interactions. Under the hood, Sony continues to rely on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 series, but the Xperia X7 upgrades to the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, while the Xperia X remains on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. The improvements are modest but real. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 uses 4 Cortex-A78 cores, clocked up to 2.4 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores at 1.8 GHz, alongside an upgraded Adreno 710 GPU. In benchmark tests, the Xperia X7 achieved 1,024 points in Geekbench's single-core test and 2,943 in multi-core, compared to 947 and 2,765 respectively for the Xperia X. On Antutu, the Xperia X7 scored 600,657 points, slightly higher than the Xperia X 559,136. Both devices offer 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, providing smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media. The software situation also favors the newer model. The Xperia X launched with Android 14 and is promised 3 major OS updates, while the Xperia X7 runs Android 15 out of the box and comes with support for 4 major updates, ensuring longer relevance. Perhaps the biggest practical upgrade comes in the camera department. The Xperia X7 introduces a new dual camera setup, featuring a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 13 megapixels ultra-wide lens, compared to the Xperia X 48 megapixels main and 8 megapixels ultra-wide combination. While the jump in megapixels is not huge, the new sensors promise sharper detail, better low-light performance, and improved dynamic range. For selfies, both devices stick with an 8 megapixels front camera with an f2.0 aperture, which remains serviceable for casual shots and video calls. Powering everything is the same reliable 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging on both models. This means that in terms of endurance, neither phone has a clear advantage, as both are easily capable of lasting a full day of heavy use. The real differentiators, then, are found in display fluidity, camera improvements, performance gains, and software support. Taken together, the Xperia 10-7 represents a meaningful, though not groundbreaking upgrade. The higher refresh rate display and updated camera system are likely to be the most noticeable changes in daily use, while the slight boost in processing power and extended software updates add peace of mind for longevity. On the other hand, those already satisfied with the Xperia 10V may not find the new model compelling enough to switch, especially since the core experience, battery life, form factor, and Sony's minimalist design language remains largely unchanged. For new buyers, however, the Xperia 10-7 is clearly the better choice, striking a balance between familiarity and refinement. That makes it one of the stronger contenders in the mid-range smartphone market of 2025.